Hi guys, today we're reviewing Motorcycle Chase Spider-Man vs Doc Ock. It is set 76275 and retailed for £8.99, $9.99 and €9.99. Let's open it up and take a look. This set has one loose piece, two bags and a set of instructions. So, let's open these bags up and start the build. Spider-Man has plain unprinted legs, which are much worse than dual moulded ones that have been in sets recently, like the Daily Bugle. His torso and head have been used in 10 Spider-Man sets since 2021, but I do like the arm printing. He also comes with 2 web elements. The bike is a really good build, but does Spider-Man really need a bike? I'd have loved to see a small build, perhaps something like an ATM instead for Doc Ock to break into. On the front, there is a nice printed piece with the Spider-Man logo. It has 2 blue wheels, which are quite a rare piece. The Doc Ock figure is currently exclusive to the set. Its torso and head are half venomized and it has unprinted legs, which is a bit disappointing. I'd like to see the black leg on one and maybe some print detailing. I feel like Lego put it in 2 exclusive parts just so that the minifigure collectors will want this set. His robotic arms are a new build and are much better than other Doc Ock arms that have been featured in playsets, but it would have been nice to see a venomized one. The lamppost is almost the same build used in modular buildings, but it has a small 1x1 clip piece on it so that Doc Ock can hold on to it, which is really great. Without the 6x6 circular base, this wouldn't be possible as it wouldn't be able to balance. It also has a bin which has a blue, pink and green jewel pieces, a large bone, a fish and a new piece. This is a banana peel. It has rubber ends so it can't be used to injure somebody. So, I just wanted to point out that there's a feature here where you can attach Doc Ock to the lamppost because it has a little clip hanging off it. So, this is Spider-Man's bike. It can fit maybe 3 if you wanted to squeeze it in, but basically 2 people, minifigures inside of it. There are stud launchers in it, and it's very movable and rollable. But the handlebars are very easy to take off and since it's a child toy, I would maybe say if you had extra parts to put something on there if you didn't mind, but I think it's good enough as a display set. It can fit Spider-Man in very, very easily and is rather quite roomy. Overall, I think it's a very good build. So, overall, is this set worth £10? I would think so, and I recommend you buying it. I think it would work on a shelf or on a modular building line. Make sure to like and subscribe and put a comment down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
Make sure to tune in for next week's video, guys, because we're going to be reviewing the new Spider-Man No Way Home set. Hope you enjoyed today's video and we'll see you next week. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.